Are you constantly running after your friends for Netflix and Spotify passwords? Do you get really sad each time you want to order for that cool thing off of Amazon because you realize your bank sucks and hasn't gotten you a card that works online? You've likely seen the ads on TV and social media about the virtual cards that the local telecoms are providing, specifically Airtel and MTN. So Airtel has Airtel MasterCard and MTN has MTN Momo card. And these actually work. I've used them a few times in my line of work and they've been a lifesaver and they're cheap, right? Transaction costs about 1k, I think, for both. And the third platform for a virtual card that can be used locally is EverSend, an app from the company called EverSend, one of the coolest fintech companies in Africa. Let's look at the Airtel Money MasterCard first. So this card allows Airtel Money customers, even those without a bank account, to make payments locally and globally as long as the merchant they're paying to accepts MasterCard cards. Of course, with the promise that the financial data of the user is secure and private during the transaction. It's really just a convenient alternative to the bank card that you have in your wallet. Just not as tangible as it is a digital card living on your phone or your Airtel account. You can also add this card to services like PayPal if you're into that sort of thing. Let me show you how you can sign up and use this service. So, on your Airtel Money menu, go to star 185. Go to option 7, Financial Services. Go to option 9, Airtel Money MasterCard. Go to Get a Card, option 1. From there, enter your PIN. And in a moment, you should receive an SMS saying you've successfully created an Airtel M card. So in the message, there's a link that you will use to access information, the virtual card itself, an image of it anyway, and you will use that information to transact. I've hooked the card that we've created to my PayPal, and I'm going to use it to test it on Namecheap to see if it actually goes through. Okay, so as you can see, the default card that I've selected is the Airtel Money MasterCard. So it's processing, and if it works, in a moment we should receive an SMS notifying us that it has worked. Indeed, as you can see, that's the SMS. So this is how to set up your Airtel Money MasterCard and how to use it. We've looked at how the Airtel MasterCard works and how to sign up for it. I hope by now you have yourself a fast virtual card or one of your several additions. So let's look at the MTN Momo card. So just like Airtel's card, the MTN Momo card is from a partnership the telecom has with MasterCard. It allows MTN mobile money customers to pay for their services and products online via mobile money accounts, meaning the money that you use to pay for the services that you're paying for is taken off your MTN mobile money account. So the concept is the same. I'll just show you how to sign up for one and how to use it. Let's see. So pick up your phone, go to MTN mobile money menu, star 185. From there, go to option 6, Financial Services. Go to option 5, MTN Momo card, and go to option 1, Create MTN Momo card. It will take off 1k from your account for the service, and then from there you should have your card. The card has a number and the CVV code and the expiry date. You'll need this information when you're doing an online transaction. And so you have yourself an MTN virtual card. So now we've seen two virtual cards from local telecoms, Airtel's and MTN's. And here's where I show you how you can get a virtual card of EverSend. So EverSend, they call themselves Africa's first neobank. If you keep up with tech trends, you will know EverSend has been sort of the whiz kid of African fintech in the last recent years. They've won several fintech competitions and awards and attracted loads of investors. It's based in France, but with a very obvious presence in East Africa and West Africa. Their app, also called EverSend, is easily one of the most reliable financial apps from Africa, almost entirely dedicated to making it easy for Africans to send money across borders and as seamlessly make online payments. So their app allows you to create virtual cards that can be used to make dollar payments even though you have local currency in the app. It takes some converting, but you're able to do this once all this is done. So before we go into how you'll be able to do this to create a virtual card and how to use it, you'll need the app itself, so you can download it from App Store. There's a link below for EverSend from the App Store and EverSend for Android from Play Store. So you would need to sign up, create an account, provide your government document identification, that would be national ID or passport. Provide a passport size photo that you'll take maybe via your camera or upload one from your device. You'll also provide, I think that's it, but they will need to verify, and then when you're verified, you'll be able to use the app. Okay, so that's how to get and use an Airtel MasterCard, an MTN Momo card, and an EverSend virtual card. I hope you found this useful, and I hope you get to apply this in your daily life and business or hustle. And yeah, see you around.